The Taita people, or Wadavida, are a Kenyan ethnic group who speak Kidavida, which belongs to the Bantu group of languages. The Taita tribe actually consists of 3 separate but closely related tribes. Wadavida, or Taita, Wasagala, the Wataveta from Taveta. Being an agricultural community in a fertile land, most Taitas practice agriculture as the main economic activity. And as far as food goes, their traditional diet consists of bananas, pumpkins, cassava, beans, sweet potatoes, cowpeas, and millet. Kimanga, a mashed combination of beans plus either cassava, sweet potatoes, pumpkins, or bananas, is still a traditional Taita delicacy prepared during special occasions. On this episode of Foods of Kenya, we're in Taita Taveta County, spending time with the Taita community as we sample their rich culture and we'll get to taste their healthy cuisine, consisting of 3 variations of kimanga, mavunde or kimumunde, a mixture of ripe bananas, and ground roast maize meal. This is it. As well as marami sugarcane juice. Refreshing. All these amidst a lot of song and dance.
We are available on free-to-air and everywhere. DSTV Channel 311, GoTV Channel 91, Star Times Pang Channel 105, and on Zuku Channel 602. We are also available on Safaricom Base and on K24 Plus app.